Hey guys, welcome back to StephAndMannie doing another unboxing today. It is from Party City. They were the little animatronics that went for $40. They had the Annabelle, they had Chucky, and they had the one that I really wanted, which was the Michael Myers one. Now they're just these little things, they're not very big. And first and foremost, before I get into it, I would just like to say to Party City, they ended up letting you put your information in, your phone number, your email, in order to get these. I was notified for Annabelle, I was notified for Chucky, but when it came to Michael, I didn't get no notification, no nothing. And it sold out. And this, me being I have to have everything Michael, let me just tell you that I was on that website every single freaking day checking to see when they released to put it on sale. And I want to say they caught me off guard. I was out and about shopping with Manny, and boom, they put it on around, I want to say, I think it was around 6 or 7, because we were at Hobby Lobby or something like that, Michael's, buying some stuff. And I was just a little disturbed to all of a sudden see that, you know, sold out. Like, bro, I put my phone number in and everything. Anyway, it upset me. Come on, Party City. You know, do a little bit of a better job. It's not that hard. If you're going to work out there and be a part of the workforce, at least attempt to do your job correctly. Anyway, on to my review. So like I said, they were $40 animatronics from Party City. They come in packed up in little boxes. I already have them on tape because I'm not going to sit here and struggle with it. The packaging, the way they did it, again, they could have been better, and I expected a little bit more out of this. But she's just kind of, this is it. This is what you get. So it's just thrown in there with this crappy wrapping, and oh, she's missing her shoes off. Like, bro, what did you guys do? You know, just chuck it in there, throw some stuff in there and call it quits? Like, it's not hard to pack something. Like, God, Party City. No wonder people go to Spirit Halloween. Anyway. This is Annabelle. This is the $40 version. This is what you get. She's got wires in her arms to where you can pose her. She's got a little sensor right there. I have it still hooked up to the button, of course, because I just took her out. So I guess it, oh, and there goes her shoe again. Okay, and that's another problem that I have. Oh, lovely, lovely. Oh, and she wasn't really made that well neither. All right, so let me show you guys. I'm glad this is happening because now y'all can see. These were not taken out of the box. All I did was cut the tape. All right, look at that. There's glue in there. Glue in there to hold it to there. Like, how hard is it to make a shoe that would actually fit on her foot opposed to making a small one? Because even when you look at it, look, you can still see her toes. Like, it doesn't fit really well. Like, dude, $40, I get that's not exactly the most expensive, but still, you should take pride in your work or don't make anything at all. And speaking of glue, she's, oh, Jesus God. She has glue stuck all over her. Legit. All over her pants, on her, yeah, I don't know. I'm not really fond about this. I mean, the glue job's half-assed at best. And I mean, does it matter? I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, I get they were supposed to like try to glue her dress down, but why would you want to glue her dress down to her legs? What is the point of that? All right, so I'm going to be the dick that removes the glue off of her dress because that's not cool, first and foremost. And all I have to do is go upstairs, get a hot glue gun, melt the glue off, and start picking at it to get it off some, so that way it's not all the way on there. Anyway. would have liked if they would have added the laugh in right at the end, where it's suspenseful and you're like, oh God, what's going to happen? Is her head going to pop off or something? And then all of a sudden she laughs or something. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But it's $40. It is what it is. I'm like, look, her little hair sticks up there. Like, I don't know. They could have done a lot better for $40. I was excited to get her because I don't have nothing Annabelle yet in my house, and I've always wanted something Annabelle, and it's hard to get a hold of the figures from Trick or Treat that are $400 or $500. Like, I'm hoping Black Friday, I can hit them up. They'll have some. I can actually finally have a life-size Annabelle in here to go with all my other stuff. But I'm not going to hold my breath on that. Anyway, so as sucky review, everything's glued. Her dress had to be glued to her legs for some ungodly reason. I mean, she sits. That's what she's going to do. She's got her voice box, her little ass. She's got, you know, you need a screwdriver, pop that open, get into the battery, John. You know, it doesn't, I don't get it. I still don't understand why you would have to glue her dress down, because she's just going to be sitting anyway, and her feet's going to be right there. And come on now, gluing shoes on because they're the wrong size. Come on now. I know Party City didn't make her. Who made her? Amscan Incorporated. AMSCAN. Well, Amscan, whatever your name is, do a better job. Don't be such a cheapskate. Regardless, I still love her, because at least I have something of her. I'm going to have to go upstairs and fix her up. And another thing I wasn't too fond of is, like, that's how her arms are. Like, bro. Like, of course, they attempted to glue there too, but the glue didn't stick. So I'm going to have a lot of gluing to do on her. Which disappoints me, because that's not what you buy stuff for. The next guy that we got, again, comes packaged the same exact way, just kind of chucked in there. No covers, no extra, like, little protection, no nothing. They just get thrown in there. We got Chucky. Because, of course, my husband has, like, all the dolls of Chucky set up around places in the house, too. He's made a lot better. Still has glue on him. There's glue there, I guess, apparently to hold the pant leg down. I don't know. Maybe to keep the shoe on. Who the hell knows? More than likely, I don't foresee this lasting very long, especially if my 1-year-old happens to get a hold of it. The hair. Like, I'm not a fan of his hair. Like, look at this. They could have done so much better. Kind of glad maybe I didn't get the Michael, and his hair's kind of falling out here. Let me put it back in the box. Anyway, good guy doll. His hands are made about the same. Everything's adjustable. His arms. This one's more of a stuffed animal based, unlike the other one. My Annabelle, she's just all hard. She's hard. Anyway, his shirt velcros off and on. The bottom of his butt is where you find his battery pack and his on and off switch. He is still hooked up like Annabelle.
Nobody leaves me. Nobody.
I'm gonna bend his arm up a little bit more. There we go.
I don't have a problem with killing. I like a little killing now and then. What's wrong with that? Nobody leaves me. Nobody.
He's made a lot better. Like I said, his important parts are protected more by stuffing and embedded, encased in some squishy material, and he's made a tad bit better except for the hair. The hair's all kind of chonked, and I don't even know. That's like worse than Barbie. Like, he's supposed to be a bad guy, not an ugly guy. Yep. But like I said, these were $40 purchases from Party City. I'm not blaming Party City for the way that they were made. I am blaming Amscan Incorporated. Manufactured by techiedesigns.com. I don't know. Regardless, they did a really freaking sucky job, okay? Everything was hot glued. Like, you don't hot glue something somebody's going to spend $40 on. I get it. It's a small animatronic. It's only $40. But, dude, come on now. I don't know. I'm just a little bit more pickier. Like, come on. I don't know. Put pride in your work. Don't be a freaking cheapskate. There's zip ties. There's other ways out there. And Party City, your packaging in these freaking boxes suck. No wonder Annabelle's shoe unglued and her hair's all wonky and crap's missing and all this crap. Well, it's not missing technically. She's got everything. But her shoe was off. It was unglued. So am I happy with my purchases? I would have been if they were taken a lot better care of. I still like the little things, you know, for $40. They're kind of cheaply made, but hey, it is what it is. I still bought them. I'm still glad I have them. I'm going to have to go upstairs now, whip out my hot glue gun and save the day. But it's not going to fix Chucky's hot mess. A little bit of disappointed in this. Anyway, sorry for ranting and raging. I just get pissed when I spend money on stuff and it doesn't turn out to be what I wanted it to be. So, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think. Did you guys get one of these? How did the Michael one turn out? Did anybody do a review on that? Do you have one? You know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Because I was thinking about paying overprice for them. Just to have him. But I'm not going to be paying that much of overprice if he sucks about as much as these two do. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Comments, like, subscribe, thumbs up. Hey, 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 hooray. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.